looks like a really fun little setup we've got going on here.
So we thought, because lots of people drink mineral water, there's lots of mineral waters from all over the earth. We test the mineral waters. We'll do the same thing. We're going to do our ORP test to see if what kind of energy we got in these bottles, if it's enhancing our body or taking away from our body. We're going to do the pH test. And a lot of these are natural spring waters, so they actually are alkali. And then we'll do our absorption test to see how well it absorbs into your body.
Awesome, amazing. So again, those 3 properties that we're so passionate about our water: antioxidant rich, alkalized, and super hydrating. So let's get started. Okay.
So let's start on this end. We'll do our ORP test.
So I'm going to swing around here so we can make sure we get a great view of this.
𝗪𝘁𝗲𝗿𝗹.
So again, we're looking for a negative charge, right?
What's that
So
one read?
we are seeing positive 278, 280, right around there. Everyone can see that?
So that's pretty similar to tap water.
Yeah.
Let's go on to Fiji.
Okay. Yeah, we're just over 300, 305, 309, 315.
Poor quality tap water.
Yeah, absolutely. And there's our 𝗪𝗁𝗲𝗿 that I used to buy cases of.
No.
We're at like almost 440.
This one's carbonated, so we know when you put carbon dioxide in water, it makes carbonic acid, which is acidic. Don't want that in the body.
No, we breathe out carbon dioxide.
Right, waste product. Let's go with 𝗪𝗲𝗄. Again, bubbly, carbonated, not great for the body.
Yeah.
How are we reading that?
We're just close to 430. Yeah.
So that is sucking electrons out of your cells, not life enhancing.
Setting a beautiful environment up for disease.
How's our not bubbly?
Not bubbly 𝗪𝗁𝗿𝗃. Yeah, we're at around 349, close to 350 on that one.
Again, kind of like crappy tap water.
Yep.
And then
Fiji water. Wow, you're reading it backwards. We're at almost 360.
Wow.
360, yeah.
Okay, let's pour some Kangen water.
We're gonna get some fresh, I'm gonna pour some fresh Kangen from my machine that I just bless myself every day. I'm gonna put it right in the glass, Bruce.
Kangen water 9.5.
Beautiful.
Let's watch Tracy do this. We'll spin it over.
Yeah, so I push the button of whatever water I'm desiring. So right now I've chosen my drinking water. I'll let you put in the magic wand. Let's see what our reader says today. Wow.
-5.
We're at about minus. Yep, keep going. So we're getting about a minus 300 reading. So what that's telling us is it's telling us that we are drinking water. That's doing what for us, Bruce? What's our water doing for us?
Energizing our cells. So it's giving electricity to the cell instead of taking it away. If it's positive, it's taking it away. If it's negative, it's giving energy to us.
And I don't know about you guys, but I'm all about energy. Energy, 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 right? And when our cells are energized, you just feel, well, you feel
alive.
You feel alive, absolutely. Okay, test number 2 we're gonna do. So we're gonna actually use these pH drops. Anyone that has a pool or hot tub is very familiar with these. And we're gonna test the acidity or the alkalinity of each of these beverages. So we're gonna put a couple of drops into each one and let's see what colors pop up. Okay. And these are all quite predictable, I would say, wouldn't you, Bruce?
Yep. So the non-carbonated mineral waters will be slightly alkaline. You can see they're blue there.
Yep.
The carbonated are acidic, so they're going to be yellow and orange. And again, this isn't carbonated, so we have slightly alkali,
A little bit more in there
slightly
so we can see it really
alkali.
good.
And then we can see our Kangen water that is very alkali.
Yes, so again, these are probably
I'll move
running.
the bottles so that we can see the glasses.
It's a great idea. I'll just do
You can see the colors there.
And just do a little mix in the water as well so we can mix
Spin
these
it
up.
around. I guess a big takeaway from this is you really don't want to be drinking anything carbonated. Pop, water, because that carbon dioxide in the water becomes an acid, and acid is not good in the body.
Wonderful, beautiful.
You can see a nice purple alkali Kangen water. So there you have it.
Purple's the color. Purple's the color. Love it. Test number 3. So we want to talk about the actual ability for all of these waters that people are enjoying, how well they're actually hydrating you. And we've chosen out of our selection the waters that are not carbonated, because we really don't want carbonation penetrating into our cells. But we do want whatever waters we're drinking to penetrate into our cells. So we're going to use, this is a green tea, and an organic green tea, and we're going to use this tea bag as an example of our cells and our brains. So think about your cells. The goal is you want to get the water into the cells, and we want to flush toxic waste out. So how well the water's getting into the tea bag and then pulling the tea out.
And hydrating the body.
And hydrating the body, absolutely, which is our main goal.
So
Okay,
we'll start with Fiji.
so we want to see how well this actually works.
And next our Italian, 𝗪𝘁𝗲𝗿. And this one. And our Fiji. Now, when water sits, it's dead. So this sits in a ship for probably 2 or 3 months before it gets here, and then longer on the store shelf. So even if it's the greatest water in the world, when it sits too long, you got no energy in there.
Water is not meant to be packaged. Whatever water you're drinking.
And then our Kangen water. Now you can see the Kangen water. Fiji is good. It's a little bit, but you can see the Kangen water as soon as we poured it in. So think of that.
And these have been sitting in there too longer, right?
Pouring it in your body, and it's instantly going into the cell. So again, we'll pull these away so you can see the colors. These two look good. That was Fiji, 𝗪𝘁𝗲𝗿. And
Let's just do a little dip. So I'm going to do this. We're really going to see it.
dead.
Down. And again, these have been sitting in here for some time.
That kind of looks murky.
Take these out.
I don't know what's
Take
going
these
on
out.
with
So at the end of the day, I think it's pretty clear. And this one is sitting in the least. So
that shows most absorption into the cells, and when the water comes out, it brings the tea out. Most flushing of toxins out of the cell. So I think Kangen wins it hands down again.
we love our Kangen.